Thousands of students across the area headed back to school today, some with mask mandates, others having the option to wear one. That left many parents worried about COVID spreading in the classroom. Our Pepper Baker joins us in studio to share concerns from some parents in St. Charles County who want a universal mask mandate.
Yes, many public school districts in St. Charles County started their first day of classes today. Some of the county's private Catholic schools that started back last week have already notified parents of positive cases. A Fort Zumwalt parent I talked to is worried that that may start happening at her kids' schools, especially when masks are optional.
I think this has been the hardest time probably for most of us to be a parent.
Amy Rhoades' 4 children started their first day of school in the Fort Zumwalt district. Even though her children were excited to be back in person, she was nervous.
I'm specifically concerned about my unvaccinated children because the Delta variant is hospitalizing kids, and without their classmates wearing a mask to protect them, I don't feel as safe this year sending them in person to school.
Her children attend Fort Zumwalt North High and Middle School and Mount Hope Elementary, where masks are optional.
I don't feel very good about that policy. It doesn't show that they have concern for my child's safety.
Some of the St. Charles County private Catholic schools that started a week ago with an optional mask policy have notified parents of positive COVID cases. The Archdiocese confirmed some of those reports, but said it's not exceeding what they experienced last year.
We want them in the school, in their seat, not back at home, virtual. And I think that's where we're going to end up without masks.
Fort Zumwalt Superintendent Dr. Bernard Dubray addressed the county's mask debate and whether it impacts in-person learning.
It's about 50% is one way and 50% is the other way, and I think I don't believe it's going to be anything that's going to take away from our teaching act.
Rhoades would still rather err on the side of being too safe with a mask requirement than sorry without one.
I don't feel very good putting my kids in the care of people who don't think it's their job to protect them as well. If they have them for 7 hours a day, and they need to take that responsibility very seriously.
Now, Rhoades said the virtual learning option was too stressful with 4 kids in different grade levels. The Archdiocese says in a statement that they are continuing to follow communication protocols to notify their families of positive cases.
St. Louis Mayor